In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging quiz using Typeform. Whether you're interested in designing a scored quiz or diving into the realm of personality outcome quizzes, these instructions will guide you through every step, ensuring a smooth and effective creation process. To start off, it's essential to determine the type of quiz you aim to create. Do you want a scored quiz or a personality outcome quiz? If you're leaning towards a scored quiz, think along the lines of tests, learning assessments, or even a fun trivia game. These quizzes are all about right or wrong answers, leading to a final score that participants can see. On the other hand, a personality or outcome quiz is fantastic for uncovering personality types, matching participants to specific categories, or providing result-based outcomes. You'll find these to be more descriptive and less about getting answers right. Now that you've identified the quiz type, it's time to build your questions. Begin by logging into Typeform. Once you're in, the platform makes it easy for you to start. Simply click plus create a new form. From there, the choice is yours to start from scratch or to use one of Typeform's handy quiz templates. A great feature to leverage here is question groups, which allow you to organize sections efficiently. You might opt to segment your quiz into themes like beginner and intermediate categories for a more structured approach. As you add questions, consider the variety that Typeform offers. Multiple choice and picture choice questions are just a few examples. To make your quiz more visually appealing and engaging, you can even add media like images. The next step involves assigning scores or outcomes, and this is where the type of quiz you've chosen comes into play. If you're making a scored quiz, navigate over to the Workflow tab and choose Branching or Scoring. Here, you can add a point, say a +1, to a score for each correct answer. This is also the part where you get to utilize logic rules so you can guide quiz takers through different paths based on their score. For instance, if a participant doesn't meet a certain score, you might set it so they can't advance past a point until they do. For those working on an outcome quiz, click on the Outcome Quiz option under the Workflow tab. This is where you will set up multiple ending screens, each tailored to a specific result, like introvert or extrovert. Assign each answer in your quiz to its respective outcome. This setup allows the quiz to point users to the ending that best matches their responses, creating a personalized and interactive experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a captivating Typeform quiz that rewards participants with informative and interactive results. Whether the goal is to educate, entertain, or explore personality, this guide provides you with the foundational tools to succeed. Enjoy creating and have fun inspiring your audience with your unique quiz design.